Hello, Flaum here for Dress It Up Buttons. Today we are using the beautiful choir of angels as well as some hair barrettes from Dress It Up Buttons to make a quick and easy project that would be great for gifting or wearing for anyone of any age that would like to have a decorative hair barrette. The first thing I'm going to do is just remove the little piece inside that helps keep the pressure, keeps the tension for the hair. We don't need that there right now because we're going to be wrapping some tulle. You could also use ribbons or other trims and hot glue them onto your barrette. As you can see, I'm just wrapping around, and then there is a hole on either end of this barrette. I'm making sure to put it through each of those holes and wrap it back around. When I have enough tulle on, you can see I'm putting that little, I call it a pin, but that little piece back in that keeps the tension for the hair. I'm putting that back in once the tulle is on. That just makes it a lot easier to apply your trim or your tulle. Use a little pick tool or something if you have any tulle that needs to be trimmed down. Then tie a knot. And I am just going to double knot this, although we'll also be using hot glue, which will keep things together really nicely. The supplies are super easy here. We've got our buttons, our barrette, hot glue, and tulle. Very easy project to do. And of course, there are many different themes of buttons in the Dress It Up shop that you could certainly use this on. What I'm doing now is just referred to as removing the shank. In other words, removing the button part off the back, the shank button. And this is just to flatten it out. And it is optional depending on what kind of trim you're using, how you're adhering it, and how your project is turning out. I am going to be hot gluing these onto the tulle, and the tulle is just going to act not just as a pretty detail, but it's really going to give something extra and help make this even more stable as we're adding different embellishments. And I am going to add all three of our angel friends, as well as some of the musical notes that are included in this particular button set. I just love these angels. I think they would also make a really pretty brooch in a similar style. I am adding some hot glue to the top and the bottom of the back just to add a little more stability, since I hadn't used a lot of hot glue in the beginning. And as a reminder, you always want to, of course, use caution with hot glue, as it is, of course, hot, but it is a really good adhesive for this kind of a project. Finally, to add one little last touch, I'm putting some of the music notes actually on the little tulle tail that we've got going on there. And you know what? This is just such a beautiful gift or project to make for yourself in so many different themes. Hope you've enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more and visit the Dress It Up shop for all kinds of fabulous buttons and embellishments.